Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going that how you can replace any kind of word in MS Word and how you can find it. So let's start. So first of all, so we have to press the window R, and after pressing the window R, as you can see now we have to write the win word and then press the OK. So as you can see, the MS Word is open. Now we need to click on the blank document, and after clicking on the blank document, for example, I'm going to write the sum. So as you can see, I have written this text. So first of all, we are going to learn that how you can find any kind of word, sentence, or phrase, or whatever you want. So for the finding, you have to press the Control F. The shortcut key of find is Control F. As you can see, here are the four video words. So as you can see, here are the four video words. I want the video should be replaced with audio. So let's start. So for here's the replace option. For the replace option, the shortcut key of replace is Control H. So I'm going to press the Control H. So I'm going to press the Control H, and after pressing the Control H, as you can see, what we have to replace. For example, I want that the video should be replaced. Replace with means that which with word it should be replaced. For example, I want that it should be replaced with audio. And after pressing the audio, as you can see, the option if you want to replace all the words once, so you have to click on the replace all. Or if you want to replace the one by one, then you can click on the replace. So I want the replace all, that they should be replaced once. So let's click on the replace all. So as you can see, they all are replaced. All done. We made three replacements. So click on the OK. Now close. Now as you can see, they are replaced. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can find or replace any kind of word. So see you guys in the next video.